we are going to cover something really simple but really important in this edition of Kajabi Camp, and that is, well, let me just show you. So what you're looking at here is a checkout page, and you'll notice that it asks for an email address, first name, and I've also asked the question, and I'll show you how to do this. What's your number one struggle with course creation? And then there's this little checkbox down here that says subscribe to our email list. Did you know that if they don't check that box, then you are not able to send them marketing emails? You'll only be able to send them information that has to do with this product, okay? And that's not really good, right? You want to be building your list while you're also selling your products and your services. So I'm going to show you how you can fix that. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go into our offers, and actually that's not what we're going to do. We're going to go into settings down here in the lower left hand corner, and it's sort of behind where I am. So let me move. I'm going to move myself over here. We'll go back. All right, down here in the lower left hand corner, we're going to click settings. Then we're going to go over here to checkout settings in the top right hand corner. And then right here, we're going to click automatic. Now we're going to get a warning when I do that. And the reason we're getting a warning is because if you're in Europe or you have a lot of clients and customers in Europe, you're going to want to read this article about the risks that are involved with this, because they have the whole GDPR thing and all those rules about automatically opting people into your email list. So you want to pay attention to that. But just so you know, I have mine set to automatic, okay? So I'm going to click save. And now let's go back over to that offer. I'm going to stop sharing my screen for just one moment. So I'm going to go over to that offer. I'm just pulling it up now. Okay, here it is. And now let me just reload. And I'm going to click edit checkout. Okay, and you can see now that box is gone, but let me just preview it so you can see it as it looks to the client. So now that little checkbox is gone. Okay, how did I put this here? What's your number one struggle with course creation? So let me show you that. So we're going to go over here and over on, I think it's on edit checkout. Yeah, and over here on the left, it says extra contact information. You could just add a custom field right there, okay? And in this case, click add new, give it a title, and right here it gives you a pop-up. So do you want a phone, email, or text area? You could also put a checkbox, which is great. You just want to give them multiple choice. Just ask them a quick survey question. But in this case, I chose text area. And in the title area, I said, what is your number one challenge with course creation? And you could decide to make that required or optional by either checking that box or having it unchecked. So hopefully that was helpful. Those are that checkbox feature for getting them on your email list is so important. So make sure and do that now, and let me know down below in the comments if you found this helpful. And I'll see you in our next edition of Kajabi Camp.